Hi everyone! Today I will be doing a Chiaki Nanami from Danganronpa makeup tutorial. It's really simple, it's really cutesy, really e-girl inspired also. And if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. As always, we're going to start by doing our base. I have already done mine. And I'm going to start by doing the eyes since Chiaki is not really it's more like a serious character. I'm going to use this palette, the whatever from Colourpop, and I'm going to use this pink since it's not that bright. A little bit on the outer corners and we'll be blending it downwards. I will be also adding a bit here. Now I will use a white pencil around the waterline to make my eyes look a lot bigger. And with the same pink we will be using a bit under here. And now to appear like more awake, I will be using a ton of white around this area with my pinky since it's smaller. I'm going to do the eyebrows too, since Chiaki has a very weird hair color. It's kind of pink, kind of grey, and I will be using this color here. You have to remember that the eyebrows are darker than the hair, so you can play with that. And I will be doing very thin and not very angled eyebrows, like very straight. Something like this. Now I will add a bit of highlighter to some points, like here on the nose and also around here. And here. This will make for a very cutesy look. Next I'm going to do the eyeliner. So we want to do a cat eye, but not very pointing outwards, but like a bit downwards. I will also use the eyelash curler for my eyelashes. A bit of mascara.
Here too.
And also I will add fake eyelashes. With the eyelashes we can also achieve a very cutesy look. That's why I've chosen some shorter eyelashes. And we're going to end by doing the lips. We're going to find a lipstick that is very similar to our natural lips color. Doesn't have to be perfect the first time. And we will blend it with our finger outwards, so it looks like our lips are a bit bigger. Something like that. Then we will use a bright pink lipstick like this one. We will put it only on the inside of the mouth. Adding a bit more if you see like it's necessary. And then we will use a gloss. If it has like a lot of sparkles and stuff, the better. Now we just have to put on the wig and we're ready. So now it is finished. I really hope you like it. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can type them in the comments. You can also follow me on social media if you like. You can also subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and thank you so much for watching the whole video. You can also type in the comments what is your favorite video game. And that's all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!